Whatever I tell you, the bot I'm going to show you in this video is going to help you find the next 100x meme coin, just like Trump coin. And if you look right here, this coin called FAFO has done 26,000% in the past 24 hours. You can see this one that has done 13,000%, 33,000%, 2,000%, and many others. But why some of these coins have done very well, a lot of persons have lost money trading these meme coins. But I'm going to show you a strategy using this bot on how to avoid coins that are going to rock very fast so that you don't invest in them and lose your money. And there's a lot more I'll talk about in this video about this particular bot. And the name of this bot is called AUTOSNIPE. So to get started, you're going to go to this website. I'm going to leave this link in the description of this video. You can see it right here, which is the very first link in the description. I would also leave it in the comment section of this video. So just go ahead and then click on the link right here, or you can copy it if you want and continue using it. For those watching this video on TikTok, if you want to get the link to get started, then comment Uche in the comment section and I will send you the link. So once I open up the website, this is how it looks like in the home page. And if you're using your phone, I would say you should copy the link and open up Phantom Wallet. Then you go ahead and click on this browser icon right here and you paste the website right here and search for it. So it's going to open up right now. So next thing you're going to do is to click on connect and snipe, click on connect and click on confirm, and you can click on apply and your wallet is connected. So this is how the interface looks like on your phone, but I'm going to go ahead to use my laptop to show you all of these things. And basically this platform is very seamless to use. I will just show you all of the steps so that you would actually master it and start using this platform to make money. So let me switch over to my laptop to continue, but everything I'm doing on my laptop, you're going to do the same thing on your phone to get the same results. All right, so on my laptop, I'll just go ahead and click on connect and snipe, select Phantom and click on connect, and I'm going to go ahead to click on apply. So this is done. So let's look at how you can actually use some of the stuffs over this platform. So right here you can see all of the coins that are currently trending. If you don't want to use desk screener anymore, you can actually use this platform. You can see the same coin you can find right on desk screener is what you can find right here. So sometimes I use this a lot, even more than desk screener, because it helps me if I want to stop, if I don't want to buy coins that are like scam coin or rock coin. Now what I'm just going to do is click on this here, check this, click on check this also, and then check this. This way the coins I'm looking at for right here are not scam coins. You can see most of these coins are created from pump.fun, and it simply means someone cannot stay and pull out liquidity except like they sell a large size of the supply of the token, and that's when it goes down really drastically. Okay, so over here you can see the market cap of this token. This one is at 261,000. You can see the volume, $24 million volume. This is $35 million volume. You can see different coins. And if you want to check out their Twitter from here, you want to do some research, just click on this icon right here. It's going to open up their Twitter account and you can actually see them over here. Same with any other one. This is their Telegram channel, and basically if you want to do further research, you can use that to do all of the research you want to do. Let me go ahead and click on this very first coin right here. So let's say I've done all my research, checked their Twitter, checked Telegram, and I'm cool with everything I'm seeing, and I want to go ahead to buy this coin. If I want to do that, I just click on buy here, but you can see I don't have any money in this wallet, and that's why I can't actually buy this token. So let me go ahead and fund some money in this wallet right now, and I'll be back to purchase this token. So to deposit money to buy this coin, you can just click on deposit and you see your wallet address right here. But just in case you don't want to follow this route, just click on this wallet icon at the top of your screen and you see your wallet address. You just have to send Solana to this wallet. And if you're doing this on your phone, you see the wallet icon at the top also. So click on it, you see your wallet address right there. Copy it and then send Solana to it. So let me do that right now. So if you look right here, I have about $1,000 which I would want to deposit on these platforms. And right now I have Solana in my wallet. And just in case you don't have a Bybit account, I also have my link in the description. Use that to sign up and get started right away. So you can see it took less than 10 seconds for me to receive this money. So I can go back now and look out for the coin. I don't want to buy this coin anymore. Let me buy another one. If I want to buy this, I can just click on buy now. And it's already giving me a warning. Snipe with caution. This token has a high chance of rogging the users. So this kind of warning might want to make me stay clear of investing in something like this, but it doesn't mean the coin would not do well. The coin might still end up doing well. But let me go ahead and then just buy with one Solana. and I'll click on buy token, and immediately I've purchased this token. So I can click on my holding. You can see I invested 1 Solana and I received about 7,155,000 tokens. And you can see my remaining balance right here. And if I want to say, I can just click on sell right here, or I can also go back to the chart where I was viewing previously and just click on sell token. And I can see it sell 100% and click on sell token. And instantly I have sold this token. And that is basically how you can actually buy and trade coins using AUTOSNIPE. You can buy any other coin of your choice. Even let's say we discovered another coin on desk screener. Let's say this one, which is currently trending today, which is called SICK. I can copy the contract address and just paste the contract address right here. And you can see the coin. So you can click on buy now. And I'll just go ahead and put in the amount I want to use to buy this particular token, and it will buy it for me right away. So you can see how fast and easy it is for you to buy coins using AUTOSNIPE. So let's go over how to use other sections of this bot. So over here, we have the trader's lens. Now this is actually used to track any trader's portfolio and see if they are profitable before you can start copying their trade. Now to do that, just click on it, and all you just have to do is to get their wallet addresses. So let me show you how you can actually get wallet addresses of people. So let's go back to their screen now, and let's look at for top traders for this particular coin, which is DeepSeek. And right here, I'm just going to make this bigger. My focus is going to be people that invested early and sold for a lot of profit. So this guy right here invested $1,255 and he has sold about $179,000 already. He's still holding around $91,000. So this guy actually entered very early. So I want to get his wallet address. To do that, I'll click on this symbol right here. So this is his wallet right here. I'm going to copy it. You can see he's also holding some crazy numbers in his wallet. So I'm going to go back there and I'll paste his wallet address and click on analyze address. So this is going to take about 53 seconds to actually do this, but you don't have to wait for it. You can just click on continue and do all that stuff and wait for, while you wait for that 58 seconds to actually count, and you'll be able to track that. So it's even completed. It took less than that. And I'm going to click on view analysis. So this person right here has a profit and loss of 619%, which has made him around 730 Solana, which is around $171,000. His win rate is 33%. He has won one and lost twice. It's not really the best wallet you can actually copy, but you're going to use this method to get a couple of wallets. This same method, look at for the amount they invested. So this guy bought with $919. He sold for he bought 30 million token for $919, and he has sold 23 million token for $109,000, and he's still holding around $106,000. You might want to track his wallet. And you copy it, you go to trader scan, you go to AUTOSNIPE, and let's go back and let's paste another wallet right here, and we're going to analyze this right now, and let's wait for this to go through. And I'm just going to click on view analysis. So this one is actually on loss, so I'm just going to go ahead to use this other person here, but you can still use this method to keep getting the right person. So let's say this person was very good for us. We can just go ahead and click on activate copy trading. So over here, we're going to put in the amount we want to buy per token. So you want to do any amount that works for you. So let's say 1 Solana or 0.5 Solana, depending on what is actually very good for you. But let me do 1 Solana. And total Solana to allocate, I'm just still going to do 1 Solana. So this simply means if you allocate more than 1 Solana, if the person buys more than once, it's going to buy for you multiple times. So I'm just going to allocate one. So if you buy once, that is all it's going to buy. It's not going to buy the second time when this particular person buys again. Okay, so stop loss. What is your stop loss? So I want to do, if there's a 50%, cut the loss for me. So next is my exit strategy. So for the exit strategy, I want to do, when this token gets to 100% profit, it should sell like 40% of my bag for me, and that way I get to keep almost my capital back. When it gets to 200%, sell 20% for me. You can just follow this strategy I'm doing here, and when it gets to 300%, sell 10% for me, and when it gets to 400%, you can actually sell the balance right here. So sell the remaining 30%. So I want to end at 400%. I don't want to exceed that. I can just clean this off right here, and it has actually worked on me. Make sure all of this rhymes to 100%. All of this 40, 20, 10, 30. If I want to change it, I can change this to 50% right here, and leave this at 20%, put this at 20% also, and then put this at 10%, and then put this at 10%. So you can see this is also 100% of the tokens. So you can allocate it anyhow you actually want, but make sure it is very good. Like this one, I'm taking 50% profit when it gets to 100% in a particular trade. So for other advanced settings, I can click on down here, and I want to set some threshold. So I'm still going to do 1 Solana. For minimum threshold, how much is it going to buy a particular token with that will trigger me to purchase the token? So I can do like 20 Solana. That's around $5,000 right now. So if this person I'm trying to copy his wallet buys any token with up to $5,000, I should copy the trade instantly, and then set a max buy amount. So I don't want to buy more than 1 Solana per token. And for bribery fee, this is what to make your transaction to go faster. So I can do 0.001 Solana. I can actually increase it. The higher you increase it, the better for your transaction to go through. But just know that would actually increase the amount it will charge you. So I'm going to go ahead to click on activate copy trading. And right now you can see I have activated this copy trading right there. Anytime this particular wallet enters a trade, I would actually enter a trade with him, and when he exits, I would also exit. Or if it gets to this my target right here, to automatically sell for me, whether I'm online or I'm offline. So let's go back to the home page. So this is how you can actually use Trader Lens to analyze wallets and actually start copying their trades. For copy trading, it is basically the same thing I have done. You can just go ahead and click on this, then you get the you can see I'm already copying one wallet. That is the one I activated from the other end right there. But just in case you find another wallet, you can just go ahead. So let's find another wallet and let me show you the same, that is also the same step. So I'll go back and let me use this wallet right here. I'll go ahead and copy his wallet and go back to AUTOSNIPE, and I'll paste this wallet right here. Click on enter. This is after you've actually analyzed that the wallet is very good and is good for tracking. Then you can go ahead and set the parameters, buy amount. This is the same thing I just showed you few seconds ago. So just set all of that, and then you start copying his trade right away. So that is how it actually works. So let's go back, and the final part I want to show you in this video is AI Sniper. So this is one of the stuff I actually like a lot that helps me trade whether I'm online or offline. For this right here, you can see there's the first one right here is low risk new tokens. This one is top 24 hours trending, high risk new tokens, top trending. So this is an AI actually trading for you. So let's say we want to focus on top trending in 5 minutes. I'm going to click on activate sniper, and let's read out some parameters around it before we actually activate it. So for this to actually be activated, there will be a minimum liquidity of around $70,000, which is around 300 Solana in the liquidity pool, and the coin will be among the top 25 tokens based on what you can see on their screen now. And the top 10 wallets are holding around 15% of the token, and this particular token should be trending in like 5 minutes. Liquidity, all of the 99% of the liquidity should be burnt, and then this should have there should be a mint authorization disabled, freeze authorization. So this is just to prevent that it doesn't buy scam tokens for you. And then there should be a website and available social media handles. So once all of this actually ticks, it's going to buy for you. So let me set up this right away. So I want to invest a total of 10 Solana in this. Now it doesn't have to be your total balance right here. You can do way more than that. What is the buy amount per order? So how much do you want to buy a token? How much is the least amount you want to buy a token? So you can do some persons, if depending on what you have in your wallet or what you can afford to lose. So you can do 0.5 Solana or even something less, 0.1, 0.2, depending on you. But I'm going to do 0.2 Solana for each buy. And what is the stop loss trigger? You might want to set stop loss. Let's say like any gets to minus 50% or 60%, sell the token for me on loss. Now expiry, leave it at never, and priorities, leave it at AI bullet. So over here, this is the important part, which is setting your exit strategy so that you actually exit with profit. So for me, when this token is up 100%, I would say sell 60% for me, and then when it's up 150%, I will say sell 20% for me. When it's up 200%, I would say sell another 20% for me, and then sell 10% for me, and I'm going to leave the rest of it as Moonbag to automatically sell by myself. And then when this token is up 300%, sell the remaining 10% for me. Now what this does is, if this token is up by 100%, it's going to sell 60% of my tokens. Now this is going to give me my capital plus a little profit. And when it goes up by 150%, sell another 20% for me. When it goes up by 200%, sell another 10%. And then when it goes up by 300%, sell the remaining balance of it. You can actually increase your own up to like 1,000%. The higher it goes, the difficult it is for it to get to your target. And imagine if it doesn't get to your target and it doesn't sell that at that. Let's say this token has done like 100, 200, 300%, but your target is like 1,000%. It wouldn't sell for you at that point. Maybe this token would have crashed down back already. So that would actually make you lose out on profit you would have made if you had set a lower target for yourself. So if you want to stay crazy, you can leave this one and change it to like 1,000%, sell the remaining 110% for me. But I'm just going to do 300% here, and I'll click on activate now. So this is activated, and to start buying tokens for me with 0.2%. And this is basically how this actually works. You can actually set other ones like migrating, high risk token, just play around with it, and just the same thing I've actually talked about. You can actually activate the sniper, put in the amount you want to risk, and make sure the amount you're risking per trade is the amount you're actually willing to risk. Don't put in all your capital in just one particular trade. Make sure the amount per trade is very, very small compared to the total amount of money you have in your wallet, so that the bot doesn't deactivate and stop buying for you because you don't have enough funds in your wallet. So this is all of it about AUTOSNIPE and how you can use it to start making money for yourself. I've been using this platform a lot to make crazy money for myself, and you too can start doing that right away. And don't forget to use the link in the description. I'm going to leave all links in the description to get started in this video. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.